Hello everyone, and welcome to this new DAX video. In this new video we'll see the remove filters function and how to use it. So let's see how it works. Let's start by defining the function and seeing its syntax. Remove filters clears filters from the specified tables or columns. Its syntax is remove filters, table name or column name as arguments, where table name is the table that you want to clear filters on, and column name is the column that you want to clear filters on. The function returns none. Actually, remove filters can only be used to clear filters, but not to return a table. Let's now see an example. We want to create two measures. The first one, it will calculate the total sales amount by removing all filters, and the second one will calculate sales amount and remove all the filters from product category table. So let's create the first measure. Let's rename it remove all filters. We will use calculate function, then in the filter argument, we will use remove filters function without no arguments, so that it will remove all filters. Now let's add the measure to the table and see the result. As you can see, the measure returns the total sales amount, and its value won't change if we select a value from a slicer. Now let's move to the second measure. It will be the same as the first one, except that we will add argument to remove filters function. Let's name it remove product category filters. Then we will add the product category table as an argument. We can add a single column if you want to. Now let's add a measure to the table and see the result. Good, we have the sales amount, and if we select a product category in the slicer, the measure won't change because we removed filters from this table. But if we select, for example, a continent value from the slicer, it will change. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from DIY. See you in the next video.